In this video, we're going to be dimensioning this part. So first we'll choose our datum features. I'm going to choose the bottom because it looks like it sits on something. You can see that we have a countersink hole, probably screws into another plate below. I'll choose the left side here and the back side because the back side also looks like it rests against some other part. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with this datum feature. The first feature we want to capture is this, but it's just a line. It doesn't really tell you what it is. But over in the right side view you can see, oh, it's an L shape. So we want to dimension features where they're shown best. So we're going to put that dimension in the right side view. Alright, then we need to locate how far up this slot is. So we'll do that. And then we'll do the overall height of the part. Alright, then we're going to do the dimensions off of this datum feature. Now there's a couple different ways to do a slot, so let me draw those over here. So if you have a slot, you can dimension the overall length of the slot, or you can dimension between the center lines. I personally like dimensioning between the center lines, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'll locate where the first center line is and then dimension between the center lines. Alright, and then we can give an overall length of the part. So with a slot, what you're going to do is say that there are two radii, one for each end. Right, but you're not going to give a value. The value of the radius comes from this dimension here. So you're going to dimension the overall width of the slot, and that will give you the dimension that would go here with the radius, but there is nothing here. It's just an R. Alright, so let's travel to the top view. We need to dimension the width of this back, but it really is not shown well here, so we're going to put that in the right side view. And then we'll dimension the location of the countersinks and the overall dimension. Alright, we also need to dimension the location of the countersinks going this way. So this is our datum, so we want to choose the same datum. And again, I'm assuming that these two made up with some threaded holes in another part, so the distance between them would be important. Alright, next we'll dimension the actual countersink. So what we want is the diameter of the drill, so that's the smaller one here. And then we want to put the counterbore symbol, countersink symbol, the diameter of the countersink, some value, and then give the angle. Let's say it's 90 degrees in this case. Alright, so we have two of them actually, so let me fix that. We have two countersinks, so we want to do 2 by, and then the diameter. Alright, so I think we've got this part fully dimensioned. Let me just double check. Yes, I think we're good.